welcome to NAB 2019. I'm Joe O'Halloran, Editor-in-Chief of Rapid TV News, and I'm here with Steve Oetegenn, COO of the new Verimatrix. Steve, welcome to NAB.
Thank you, Joe. Welcome too.
Now, it's been a great year for the industry already. However, of all the exciting things that have happened, perhaps none more exciting than the merger you guys have completed with InsideSecure. What's that meant for a company we've all known and loved over the years?
It means a lot, thank you, Joe. As of right now, we are a fully merged company with InsideSecure. That means we are also now a public company listed on the stock market in France. We have increased our footprint in terms of territory coverage. We've increased our product portfolio. We have many synergistic products. Oddly, very little overlap in terms of products. So it really is a merger that has created a lot of potential new markets for both the InsideSecure business and also the former Verimatrix business.
Now, just moving on from that's the company, what about the customers? Now, we've been hearing reports you guys and InsideSecure have been collaborating on DRM products. Anything to say?
Sure. I mean, we've been collaborating for a number of years. When you look at our multi-rights DRM product, we focus on the rights management aspect on the server side of rights management and harmonizing, native DRMs, Verimatrix DRM, play-ready DRM, Widevine DRM, all in a single server solution, which is very advantageous to the customer. InsideSecure has been focused on the device side of things. So they've been providing highly secure device clients that can interact with our back end. So when you put those two together, you actually create a very powerful end-to-end solution.
So you've also had a pedigree in analytics and also watermarking. How are those two areas about to evolve?
Well, yet again, InsideSecure very strong on the so-called client side of DRM. So they're in iPhones, they're in tablets, they're providing security for multiple devices, and that creates opportunity for the Verimatrix watermarking again.
Do you think there's an evolution in watermarking technology that has happened over the last 12 months, and do you see that continuing?
I'd say there's an evolution that's happened over the last 12 years, and Verimatrix has been one of the driving forces in that evolution. To date, we have basically three solutions, if you like. One is a so-called head-end watermarking solution, where the watermark is inserted at the source of the video, enables a content distributor to know which affiliate or which customer in terms of operator has received the content. Then there's another head-end solution that can actually individually mark a stream from the head-end all the way through to the subscriber. And then you have the so-called client-side watermarking, where the watermark is inserted at the final destination of the content. And you can combine all three of those technologies. You can use it for live sports, for example. It was used quite intensively for the last FIFA World Cup, used in certain markets that are providing early release window content, that kind of thing. So the technology is there, and it continues to evolve, and it continues to be deployed. And we see a lot of opportunity working with the InsideSecure technologies to actually increase that footprint.
Now, Steve, if we look around us, we can see the big infrastructure players. That means one thing, the cloud. So what strategies do you guys have in helping operators in their cloud offers?
So for Verimatrix, this is really key to the future of the company. Our analytics solution is a true cloud-native solution. It is only available in the cloud. Historically, the VCAS solution being a security solution was always deployed on-prem, and operators were very, very hesitant about taking that kind of solution to the cloud. But today what we're seeing is that they actually have a cloud-first strategy, and we do have existing Verimatrix VCaaS operators that are migrating to the cloud as we speak, and many new operators that we've been signing out are going directly to the cloud. So combine that with the InsideSecure strategy of providing cloud services, and I think it's very clear to see that the cloud is really pivotal for the future of the company.
Here we are at NAB, and one of the core solutions that you have is the Entitle Me TV Everywhere Authentication solution. Now, tell me what you hope to achieve with that.
So the Entitle Me solution is really to be seen as a key part of the Verimatrix end-to-end content distribution strategy. So what we're really practicing is what we've been preaching for a long time, which is securing the content from the source all the way to the couch. Okay? Mm-hmm. And part of that is the consumer desire for TV everywhere. And operators want to be able to offer TV everywhere solutions to their customers, and content owners want to be able to support that. And so what the Entitle Me does is provide a seamless authentication mechanism for consumers on the go to be able to avail themselves of the content that they've actually subscribed to with the operator in a very seamless fashion.
Given all that, what else is on the roadmap over the next 12 months, and how do you see the industry changing?
Well, the industry is clearly in flux. I think we've been saying that for a long time, but really cloud first, I think, is really here and happening at this point. And for Verimatrix, cloud-based services, we believe, are key to the future. We will be announcing a new software as a service product, something that revolves around device protection and application protection, probably around about June of this year. So I'd recommend that you stay tuned for that announcement.
We will. Steve, as ever, a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you. And thank you for watching.